Hello, everybody. My name's Antonio, and welcome to Back at the Ranch. Hello, friends, and thank you for joining me once again back at the ranch. In the last episode, we tried our hand at calling in a turkey and struggled through the trials and tribulations of watching me document my first reality vlog. In today's episode, we pick up right where we left off with all lessons learned and an empty stomach. After over 3 hours of turkey calling and waiting for a gobbler to walk by and having skipped breakfast, I built up quite an appetite. So much so that I was tempted to eat the cactus that was right in front of me. Well, I decided not to do that, but let me tell you something. That cactus gave me inspiration to whip up something delicious for breakfast. So I headed out for camp to get started. What's on the menu, you ask? Why, cactus, of course, and some fresh coffee to wash it down. The pads of the Texas Prickly Pear Cactus is actually considered a vegetable, and when properly prepped and chopped up, it's known as Nopalitos. Believe it or not, Nopalitos is actually a very popular ingredient in Tex-Mex cuisine, especially in South Texas. Some of you must be thinking right now, is this really a thing that people do? Eat cactus pads? Well, yes it is. The Texas Prickly Pear Cactus is native to Texas and other parts of southwestern United States, and as you can see from my vlogs, we are not in short supply. Believe it or not, eating nopalitos provides several health benefits, a couple of which are, among many others, they are high in fiber, which helps promote digestive health and lower cholesterol levels. The pads are also a good source of essential nutrients such as vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Now, before you go off trying this yourself, it is worth noting that nopalitos should be properly prepared before consuming, as they have small spines that can be difficult to remove from the pad. They are equally as difficult to remove from your hands if you happen to get pricked by them. The method I use is to slice the spines off with a sharp blade and cut off the edges, but nopalitos can also be boiled or grilled to remove the spines. Having an acidic citrus-like flavor, similar to lemons, nopalitos can be used in a variety of dishes such as salads, stews, and tacos. They can either be served raw or cooked. Personally, I like mine fried in bacon grease. Enjoy this short montage of my preparation of bacon, eggs, and nopalitos, or as I like to call it, Cactus Ranch Breakfast. There it is. Breakfast is served. Got my good coffee. Got my eggs, bacon, Nopalitos. Doesn't get any better. Hey, thanks for hanging in there. If you watched this far, I really appreciate it. And like I said before, if you haven't watched the first video, go check that out. The first video, we show you the property. We talk a little bit about it. We talk about this channel. If you like what you're seeing, please give us a thumbs up. Put some comments down in the comment section. Let us know what you'd like to see. Hunting, just a tour of this property. Maybe some cleanup videos of when we're out here cleaning. So a lot of possibilities. August coming up in a few months. We'll be down at South Padre Island. We have an RV that we put out there for a couple of months, and we'll get you some good fishing videos as well. So if you don't like hunting but you like fishing, come on back. We got something for you. He's going with me. With a full stomach, I decided to head out again and find myself a new spot. And I found one. Pretty good one too, if I say so myself. I called for about 30 minutes, but the Texas heat was starting to get unbearable as it was approaching 92 degrees, and it was that point I decided it was time to call it a day. No turkey harvest this time around, but I still call it a success. I'm learning how to vlog, and I'm making a lot of new friends, you, the viewers. So tune in next time, where I try to find that turkey feather a new home. I'll see you next time when we're back at the ranch.